a closer look and demonstration of the Assessment Generator AI. This specific tool, we're looking at the Australian curriculum, and there also is a paired BYO curriculum tool. As the name suggests, we're creating dynamic assessments to really zero in on what we are trying to assess student proficiencies in. As this tool finishes its run, we're going to go through and have a look at what it's produced, but we'll talk through the different fields of input. I've accessed here the Australian Year 7 mathematics curriculum, and this is where I get to put in my context of what I'm asking for students to demonstrate their competencies in. And something really simple here is their ability to classify triangles. For this assessment task, time on task for me is 30 minutes for this one. Use the drop down menu, and the assessment mode is quite a very strong variable. I can put in any type of oral presentation, STEM activity, real world problem solving, PowerPoint presentations. The text doesn't matter here. For what I'm after is I'm going to get the students to practical demonstration is what I'm going to invoke, and I can add in some differentiated options here, which will take the existing assessment and make it more accessible and in consideration of those students' need outlined here. And as simple as the link will be given as a download, which I will now. As I drag that back into the frame, we can have a look at our assessment task here. Great for students. We're going to get a clear outline of what the task is that they're going to complete. We're going to get a scaffold on the order of what they need to do to complete the task, conditions of assessment, checkpoints to support those students throughout the process. For the teachers, you can have a few authentication strategies, clear glossary in a key vocabulary, our curriculum alignment, which is key to see what we are assessing in this assessment task. We are also looking at two different marking guides. We'll get a teacher version where we're using the cognitive verbs in a clear progression across A to E, but also using the achievement standard language as our base level as C. And we're also getting a student friendly version, which is a mirror of the teacher version. So we can use that for students to be able to get a bit of a deeper dive into what needs to be produced to be able to be assessed. I hope this demonstration has been clear and have a go of it. It is now released and live on Teacher Assistant AI.